How to connect Exness to MetaTrader 5. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can connect Exness to MetaTrader 5. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up your Exness application. After you have opened it up, tap on the details from this interface. Now again, tap on the settings tab at the top right. On the settings, scroll down a bit. Now first of all, you have to copy your server. So copy the server. Now you have to go back and open up MetaTrader 5. Now tap on add trading account. In the search bar at the top, find broker. You have to paste the server that you have copied recently and search for it. Wait for a while. After that, you will see this Exness Technologies LTD. You have to tap on it. Now once you land on here, it will ask you to enter your login. Now again, you have to go back to your Exness. Here you have to copy your login. Now again, head back to MetaTrader 5 and all you have to do is paste it right here. Under that, you have to enter your account password. So type in your Exness account password, and once done, all you have to do is tap on login. And that's how you can connect Exness to MetaTrader 5. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.